वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। सो इस वीडियो में मैं आपको एमसीक्यूज़ करवाने जा रही हूँ नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज के। ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द एटमॉस्फेयर ऑफ द अर्थ इज हीटेड बाय द रेडिएशन आर मेनली। तो जो एटमॉस्फेयर है कहाँ से किस रेडिएशन से हीट होती है? रीडायरेक्टर बाय द सन, रीडायरेक्टर बाय लैंड, रीडायरेक्टर बाय वाटर एंड रीडायरेक्टर बाय लैंड एंड वाटर। द आंसर इज रीडायरेक्टेड बाय लैंड एंड वाटर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है if there were no atmosphere around the earth, the temperature of the earth will increase, go on decrease, increase during day and decrease during night, be unaffected. The answer is C. Next question, what would happen if all the oxygen present in an environment converted to ozone? We will be protected more, it will become poisonous and kill living forms. Ozone is not stable, hence it will be toxic. It will help harmful sun radiation to reach the earth and damage the livestock. The answer is B option. Next question is, one of the following factor does not lead to soil formation: the sun, water, wind and polythene bags. The answer is polythene bags. Next question, the two forms of oxygen found in an atmosphere are water ozone, water oxygen, ozone oxygen, water and carbon dioxide. The answer is ozone and oxygen, option number C. ठीक है, तो next sixth question is, the process of nitrogen fixation by bacteria does not take place in the presence of molecular mass from hydrogen, element form of oxygen, water and the element form of nitrogen. The answer is B, elemental form of oxygen. Next question is, rainfall pattern depend upon underground water table, the number of water bodies in an area, the density of a pattern of a human pollution in an area, the prevailing season in an area. So the answer is B option, the number of water bodies in an area. तो यहाँ पर आंसर गलत लिखा हुआ है, एलिमेंट फॉर्म ऑफ ऑक्सीजन नहीं है, द नंबर ऑफ वाटर बॉडीज इन एन एरिया इज द राइट आंसर. Among the given options, which one is not correct? Not correct for the use of fertilizers and pesticides. Option 1 is they are eco-friendly, turn the fields barren after some time, the adversely affected the useful component from the soil, destroy the soil fertility. The answer is option A, they are eco-friendly. Next, ninth question is, the nitrogen molecule present in a air can be converted into a nitrogen and nitrates by a biological process of nitrogen fixing bacteria present in a soil, a biological process of carbon fixing factor present in a soil, any of the industrial manufactured nitrogen compound, the plant used as a cereal crops in a field. The option A is the correct. Next है, one of the following processes is not step involved in a water cycle operation: evaporation, transpiration, precipitation or photosynthesis. The answer is photosynthesis. Next question is, the term water pollution can be defined in a several ways. Which of the following statement does not give correct definition? The addition of undesirable substance to a water, the removal of a desirable substance from the water bodies, change in pressure of the water bodies, or a change in temperature of the water bodies. So what is the right answer? The option number C is the right answer. Next 12th question है, which of the following are not greenhouse gas? It's not greenhouse gas. A methane, B carbon dioxide, C carbon monoxide, D ammonia. The answer is D option, ammonia. Next question है, which step is not involved in carbon cycle? So which step is not involved in carbon cycle? Photosynthesis, transpiration, respiration or burning of fossil fuel. The answer is option B, transpiration. Ozone hole means a large seized hole in a ozone layer, thinning of a ozone layer, small hole scattered in a ozone layer, or thinning of the ozone in the ozone layer. The option number B is the correct, thinning of the ozone layer. 15th one is ozone layer getting depleted because excessive use of automobiles, excessive formation of industrial unit, excessive use of man-made compounds containing both fluorine and a chlorine, excessive deforestation. The right answer is option number C. Which of the following is recently originate problem of the environment? Ozone layer depletion, greenhouse effect, global warming, all of these. So answer is all of these. Next 17th question is, when we breathe in a air, nitrogen also goes inside along with the oxygen. What is the fate of this nitrogen? It moves along the oxygen into the cells. It comes out with the carbon dioxide during exhalation. It is absorbed only by nasal cells. Nitrogen concentration is already more in a cells. So the right answer is option number B. It comes out with the carbon dioxide during exhalation. Topsoil contains humus living organism only, humus soil particle only, humus living organism plants, humus living organisms or soil particles. The right answer is option number D, humus living organisms and soil particles. Next 19th question is, choose the correct statement. Carbon dioxide atmosphere decomposers, organic carbon in animals, organic carbon in plants. Carbon dioxide in atmosphere, organic carbon in plants, organic carbon in animals or in soil. Inorganic in water, organic in plants, organic carbon animals, scavengers, organic carbon in animals, decomposers, atmosphere or plants. So the right answer is option number B. Next question is, major source of minerals in the soil are present rock from which soil is formed, plants, animals, bacteria. So the right answer is option number A. Next question is, total earth surface covered by water is, it's na 75%, option number A. Next, a biotic component of the biosphere not constituted by producer, consumer, decomposer, air. So the answer is air. Next question है, an increase in carbon dioxide content in a atmosphere would not cause more heat to be radiated by the environment, increase in photosynthesis in plant, global warming, absence of a desert plants. The right answer is option number D, absence of desert plants. Next question is, oxygen is returned to atmosphere mainly by burning of fossil fuel, respiration, photosynthesis या for fungi. The right answer is option number C, photosynthesis. Next question is, low visibility during cold weather is due to formation of fossil fuel, unburnt carbon particles of hydrocarbon suspended in air, lack of adequate power supply, or none of these. The right option is option number B. Next question is, growth of lynches and burning rocks is followed by the growth of moss, ferns, gemstones or algae. The right answer is moss. The growth of lynches is due to the moss. ठीक है. Next is, marked temperature changes in aquatic environmental can affect breeding of animal, more growth of aquatic, assess availability of nutrients. The right answer is option number A, breeding of an animals. Soil erosion can prevented by rising forest, deforestation, excessive use of fertilizers or organizing by animals. The right answer is A, rising forests. Next question is, what happens when rain falls on a soil without vegetation cover? Rain water percolate in soil efficiently. Rainwater causes loss of surface soil. Rainwater leads to fertility of the soil. Rainwater does not cause any change in the soil. The right answer is option number B, rainwater causes loss of surface soil. So the last question is, oxygen is a harmful for forms, nitrogen fixing bacteria, charja or mango tree. The right answer is nitrogen fixing bacteria. So this is all about your MCQs on the natural resources. I hope this is helpful for you. Please like my video, share it and subscribe my channel.